Hello everyone, welcome into the ITLS Academy. Myself Dr. Himani, and today we are going to discuss about the BOD incubator. Here is my mobile number and my mail ID. If you feel any query or any difficulties during this uh, course, then you can call me or you can mail me. So let's discuss about the what is the incubator actually. Incubator is the length of the time in which humidity, temperature, among other environmental factors are utilized to provide the required growth and development level of microbial culture, and therefore an incubator is a device which allows the incubation process to occur. Here all optimal conditions for microbial culture growth are maintained. Incubator release on the principle of thermoelectricity, where a thermal gradient is created through maintaining of a constant temperature by the thermostat processed by the device. The predominant pressure is 37 degrees Celsius is set while power is being supplied to the incubator circuit. This temperature is maintained by the compatibility operations of the major components. The sorry, the temperature controller, temperature sensor, and temperature contractor. The term incubator is generally used to refer to the BOD incubators among other type of incubator which are designed to operate at different temperature levels. In this pharmaceuticals industry, there exist two type of incubators, the bacteriological incubators and the BOD incubators. So now we will understand types of incubators. Microbiology laboratory incubators used for incubation purpose. Microbiology laboratories maintain mainly three types of incubator for microbial growth. First one is the bacteriological growing purpose. Required temperature is 33 to 35 degrees Celsius for 2-3 days, and fungal growing purpose require temperature 20 to 25 degree for the 5 to 7 days. Therefore, here is the three types of incubator is available here. First one is the BOD incubators. Such kind is this the full form is biological oxygen demand or biochemical oxygen demand. And second type of incubator is bacteriological incubator, and third one is the CO2 incubator. So here in this lecture we are going to discuss about only the BOD incubator, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the rest two types of incubator. So sorry, BOD incubators, often called low temperature incubator, are one of the most important lab equipment in many research centers, hospitals, and other pharmaceuticals lab. The full form of BOD incubator is, as we know, as biological oxygen demand incubator. So it is widely used in microbiology laboratory for the applications that incubate cell culture and fungal growth like yeast and molds, BOD test and fermentation, crop and physiology and various pharmaceutical tests, etc. It is also known as low temperature incubator or refrigerator incubator because it is made with temperature range below 5 to 60 degrees centigrade or with the cooling and heating functions under one unit. BOD incubators mainly used for lower incubation purpose. BOD incubator contains heating coils as well as compressor for cooling process. This incubator is an incubation designed to maintain 20 degrees centigrade necessary to perform a test called biochemical oxygen demand. So these biochemical oxygen demand incubator come in various sizes and capacities such as from 36 liters to 1000 liters. Now we will discuss why incubators is called BOD incubator. As we know, full form of BOD is biological oxygen demand, but the question is that what is the role of biological oxygen demand in incubator? Incubators only provide required temperature for the growth of microorganisms. So there is no relations of BOD with the incubator, but instead of this it is called BOD incubator. The name is given BOD incubator because for performing BOD biological oxygen demand test there is requirement of low temperature. Temperature could be 20 to 25 degree and that incubator only fulfills that temperature requirement. So that's why it is called BOD incubator. Now we will discuss about the difference between incubator and BOD incubator. Therefore, the difference between an incubator and BOD incubator is basically the temperature. As indicated above, a standard incubator is mainly run at 37 degrees Celsius and has only the heating options. On the other hand, a BOD incubator has both heating and cooling options and it is mainly run at lower temperature like 10 degrees Celsius. Another difference between an incubator and BOD incubator is revealed through their working principles. For instance, electricity is supplied via the miniature circle breakers before setting of the temperature through an advanced PID temperature regulator, mostly at 20 degrees Celsius. So the BOD incubator is allowed to run for 5 days before which is refrigeration system start immediately. The temperature is set. Air is circulated inside the device chamber by an axial fan. Once the temperature sensor detects the current temperature, it provides the PID controller with the necessary data, which in turn ensure that the set temperature remains constant for the desired period of time. On the contrary, an ordinary incubator temperature is maintained by the compatibility running of temperature contactor, temperature controller and the temperature sensor. So now what is the objectives of the BOD? First one is to stabilize the concentration of organic matter in wastewater samples. Second one is to assess the quality of surface water. And third one is to understand the characteristic of dew contained in water and wastewater. Now we will discuss about the BOD incubator working principle. What is the principle of BOD? So electricity is supplied through miniature circuit breakers, this called MCB. Second principle is temperature is set through digital PID. PID is called proportional integral derivatives. Temperature controller usually at 20 degrees. Machine is kept running for 5 days and refrigeration system start just after setting temperature. And axial fan circuits air inside chamber and the Next principle is temperature sensor sense current temperature and give data to PID controller. PID full form we have already seen this column. So PID controller, which furthermore keeps the set temperature constant till desired time. Now we will see in this diagram what is the accurate symmetrical diagram of this the BOD incubator. So here you in this picture you are just seeing different numbers. This one number is indicate the exterior. You can see here one number is represent the exterior. Second number is inner chamber. Where is the second? So second is the this one is the second. So second is the inner chamber. This cord is the inner chamber, and third one is the toughened glass window. So the toughened glass window is here. This one. This is the toughened glass window, and fourth one is the air circulation fan. Fourth one is here. This is the air circulation fan. You can see in this picture. And fifth one is the removable tray. You can see this is the removable tray. And sixth one is the temperature sensor. Here is this is the temperature sensor. Sixth one. And seventh one is the door hygiene. This is the door hygiene. This one. And 8 is the door handle with lock and key. So this is the 8 is number is door and handle with lock and key. 9 is the PID temperature controller. So now where is the 9 number? This is the 9 number, and this is indicate the PID temperature controller, and 10 is this is the 10 number. 10 number is showing along ampere meter. 11th one is the pilot lamp. This is the pilot lamp. And 12 is the safety thermostat. This is the safety thermostat. And now 13 is on off MCB. 30 number, this is on off MCB. Please see this diagram, students, very clearly and very sincerely, because this is the basic diagram of the BOD. You should know about the basic diagram of the BOD. So now we will discuss about the 14th. This is 14 is refrigeration system. Refrigeration system is 14 number is this one. This is called refrigeration system. And 15 is power cord. This is 15 is this one. This one is the power cord, and 16 is the castle wheels. This is the castle wheels. You can just go ahead and back. You can take it in a back by this wheel. And 17 is solid door. This is the solid door system. And now 18 is the heater. So 18 is this one. This one is a heater. So here by the heater you can increase the temperature according to your need. Now we will discuss about the BOD incubator diagram by the inner side. So in this picture you can see first one, this color is showing this color is showing insulations. So this is the insulations. This is the insulation, and this color is showing inner chamber, and these are the inner chamber system. And now this light brown color is showing gasket. Here you can see it. This is the gasket. In this picture you can see this is the gasket. And now these things are showing is the fan. This is the fan, this is the heater, and this is the cooling control power. And in this picture you can see in the, this is the circuit. This is the inner picture actually. In the previous we see the outer picture of the BOD, and now we are seeing the inner picture of the BOD, and this is the control panel. And now outer wall is there, you can see in this picture, and this is the arrangement of the door. And now this is the compressor, glass door is there, and locking arrangement of the glass door. You can just lock it your door, and this is the condenser, and castellar is there. So by this picture you can see the inner diagram of the BOD incubator. By this picture you can see also deeply the diagrammatic picture of this BOD system. By this way, just like this one is the built-in 7 days circular chart recorder. You can see in this way, and this is the glass and solid door, and this is here. You can just see this the LED light along the night of the refrigerator for uniform illumination through all the compartment. And this is the digital PLC controller. By this way you can check the PLC controller. And here is the refrigerator body, and this is the door heater, and this is the efficient compressor faster, and this is the caster wheels. So by this way you can just check the outer and whole body structure of the BOD incubator. Now in the next picture you can also see how BOD works like. This is the inner structure and outer structure, both you can see in this picture. In this picture, just like this is the circulation for uniform temperature. This is the way, and you can see this is the smart handle with the lock and key. This is the, and this one you can see the mesh type sliding stacking steed tray. By this way you can just put your different type of samples in this BOD, and this is the factory calibrate digital sensor dipped in the liquid medium for the accurate temperature measurement and display. So by this picture you can see the inner part and outer part both. So by in these 4 pictures we just try to understand the different part of the BOD incubator. So now we will discuss about the detailed descriptions about the BOD things. First one we will discuss about the temperature. So temperature is light. Standard temperature range for our BOD incubator is 5 degree to 60 degree, and temperature accuracy is less than or increase 0.5 degree centigrade, and uniformly remain plus minus 1 degree centigrade. Now we will discuss about the illumination. For illumination we use fluorescence or LED light, which is door operated use. Can also individuals switch it on or off permanently. As an option, we also provide 3 tube light on door with digital cycle timer in to control the illumination 24/7 peakly. Now next is the safety. There are some safety features in our BOD incubator such as over temperature and over current protection and temperature low and high limit burst alert etc. Now we will discuss about the cooling. So cooling quality is one of the important factors that need to be checked before choosing any incubator. For cooling temperature under BOD incubator we use CFC free refrigerator system. of reputed brand in the market such as Amazon or Godrej or different type of other companies provide different type of BOD incubator features. Now we will discuss about the heating. Heating features is done by the ISI mark U-shaped tubular air heaters. Next we will discuss about the slabs. So each biochemical oxygen demand incubator is delivered with number of slabs to keep the objects in the units. The number of these slabs are provided with these units as per size and capacity. These slabs are made of aluminum sheet or stainless steel with polished layer. Now next is the door. The door of these BOD incubator are available in glass or solid door. If you are looking for customized bacteriological incubator, you may ask for your choice of door. Furthermore, glass door is more comfortable to use for easy viewing of objects inside to be reached. So, next is the air circulation. Air circulation is mandatory to spread uniform temperature inside the chamber. For this, we use axial fan or motorized blower system. Now we will discuss about the constructions. So BOD incubator are made keeping durability in mind. So construction is durable and double walled. External is made of the thick mild steel and power coated, while interior is made of stainless steel. The gap between these two walls is filled with PUF insulation. Outer door is solid and there is also an inner door made of glass to view sample. Outer door has mechanical door lock and key. Now next and last one is the tray. Each BOD incubator is provided with 2 to 5 removable tray. These trays are removable and height adjustable and made of steel wire mesh capable. We also provide perforated stainless steel tray as option. Now, what is the temperature range of the BOD? These BOD incubator by different companies are come in temperature range from 0 degree to 60 degree with temperature accuracy plus minus 0.1 degree centigrade and temperature uniformly of plus minus 0.5 degree centigrade. The temperature is totally microprocessor PID control for accurate temperature rating. And other features, these units are come with easy to view LED or LCD display, door lock, interior lamp, SS nichrome heating system and run with 220 volt power supply. Now we will discuss technical specification of the BOD. So in this technical specification, first one is the double barred cabinet mounted on castle wheels. Second one is the inner chamber made of SS304 or outer chamber made of MS powered coated. And next specification is full length inner acrylic door permit inspections of specimen without disturbing the temperature. Next one is the temperature controller by solid state digital controller housing. All the control with PT 100 degree sensor, 100 sensor illumination light are provided for viewing with door limit switch. Next one is the CFC free hermetically sealed compressor provide temperature for below ambient condition. Air circulation fan for maintain temperature. Uniformity throughout the chamber. Flush fitting inserted double walled door and the chamber is provided with the modular removable slabs for complete flexibility in use. And next and last one is to work on 230-volt 50 Hz. Now here's the we can see some technical specification, like you can see in different type of BOD. First one is the temperature range. We have already discussed 5 degree to 60 degree centigrade, and next one is the temperature accuracy. We have already discussed it, and temperature uniformity we have already discussed it, and temperature sensor PT is 100, and temperature controller PID temperature controller and LED display of SB and PB is provided by the different BOD making companies, and constructions is double walled with PUF insulation. Inner constructions is the stainless steel 304 grade, and you can see the external door is solid door with lock and key. Inner door is like glass door, and tray, wire mesh cable tray removable, and here circulation motorized blower or axial fan we have already seen in this picture. And safety is like temperature high and low. You can do the temperature high and low according to your requirement, and here is the safety purpose. Some high and low temperature alarm is present there. So, and the power supply is present is showing here 220-volt to 50 Hz. And now optional things are present here. Digital event timer is present in this BOD, and illumination with 3 fluorescent lights are present. External 304 and SS316 GMP model are present here, and humidity system is present here. Door open buzzer is also present here. So here in this picture you can see the technical specification of the BOD system. Now, where are BOD incubator used? Industry like pharmaceuticals, agriculture, beverages, and research laboratory majority depends on BOD incubator. In industry, it is used in waste temperature plants to determine the efficiency of the temperature system. It is used in beverages to identify the substance in the intended working conditions, and it is used in agriculture industry to determine the growth of anaerobic bacteria. Now we will discuss about the applications of the BOD in measuring waste loading to treatment plants, and in evaluating the BOD removal efficiency of such treatment system, and for performing biochemical oxygen demand test. And next application is also used in plant and insect study, and for chemical oxygen demand determination test in different laboratory application, and it measures the molecular oxygen utilized during a specified incubation period for the biochemical degradation of organic material like carbon SES demand, and the oxygen used to oxidize inorganic materials such as sulfide and ferrous iron. It measures the amount of oxygen used to oxidize reduced form of nitrogen or nitrogenous demand unless their oxidation is prevented by an inhibitor. Now we will discuss about the safety guide. What type of safety guideline we have to use, or we have to remind in mind when we are going to use the BOD. So first one is, do not cover the slips of the incubator with aluminum foil. It may cause temperature control malfunctions or an obstructions of air circulation. Second one is the control the temperature of incubator regularly to avoid any array. And third one is the while performing test BOD bottles should be closed in BOD incubator. Next one is the BOD incubators are not designed to store eating and drinking material and cosmetics tools. And last one is the flammable substance are not permitted to be stored. So I think guys, you just like this video and you understand the BOD system and BOD objects. So you can follow the ITLS Academy by the Insta, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn. So guys, thank you very much for listening me. All the very best for the next lecture.